Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the chart here for the Biotechs. Apologies for not updating the videos last week. I had some family in town, so wanted to focus on spending time with them. So let's take a look at this chart here. So first and foremost, we broke out like we were expecting. If you watched the last video I did on Biotech, you know this is something that we were expecting. First and foremost, because of this false breakdown, okay? Here's this support. Boom, 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 boom. Lots of support, okay? We break the support here, a very clear break of support, and then boom, breaking back over it. So that makes this breakdown below support the false breakdown, all right? Next, what we had is a break out of this channel, all right? This is we're looking at 2 years of action here on Biotech, all right? So we've been in a downtrend here for the entire year, all right? And you can see right here, we kind of tried to gap over it right there, couldn't quite do it, and then we closed over it right here, all right? So we've been in this little down channel right here for an entire year. We finally broke over that level. We also broke over this resistance. You can see that resistance clearly there. All right, look at how many times it hits that level. Boom, boom, boom. Once again here, we gapped into it, and then we broke over it right here. So we're breaking over resistance, and we're breaking out of this down channel. All right. We also, what we did here is made a higher high. All right. So here was those highs right here. We broke those highs. So now we're making higher highs. Okay, we have not yet made a higher low because, as you can see, there's a low, there's a lower low right here. We haven't yet retraced a little bit. Okay, so my short-term target, and it's very close to where we're at right now, but right about 111. Okay, so just a couple bucks higher. That's going to be the first target right here. If we get a retracement lower after hitting this target, maybe we'll come down to, basically to me, anywhere is a buy zone. Okay, I think that Biotech is going to head higher. If you're buying weekly options that expire next week and you buy right now, no, I don't think you're going to, you might not do well. But if you buy options that are 6 months down the road, you can maybe buy here, and then you'll be able to withstand some kind of down pressure before the ultimate big breakout, which I do think will come. Whether we see a retracement lower or not remains to be seen. But if we do head lower into this previous resistance, which is now support, that is a massive, massive buy zone, in my opinion. We did something similar. If you look back over here, we were in kind of this down channel right here. All right, we broke over that right here, headed higher, and then you see this retracement right here. Look at where it came down to. It retested that downtrend line, as well as coming into this previous resistance. Look at that. Resistance, 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 resistance. We break over it here, and look at right where we bounced off of right here. So to me, if you see some red here in Biotech, that's going to be a really, really good buying opportunity. Ultimately, I think it heads up to this level up here. You can clearly see lots of hits up here near about 115 on IBB. You can see that right there, right here. Boom, boom, rejected, rejected. I think that if and when we do head up to here, this will more than likely give Biotech some kind of a pause. Again, if it blasts through this 111 level and straight into 115, that's probably going to be a decent short-term short or selling partial position. But again, if it hits there and then gets rejected, to me it's going to be a really, really good buying opportunity if we come down to this level. So I know I got a lot of lines drawn here on this chart. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. And if you don't already know, I have a private membership service here at thetradinganalyst.com where I share real-time alerts to members here at thetradinganalyst.com. Most of these trades are for options. All of these trades are for swing trades, meaning they last an average of about 5 days is the average time that our trades last. So shorter term swing trades is what we like to focus on. And as you can see, these are the recent trades here going back all the way to the last month or so, the last 2 months. And you can see here that it is filled with pretty much mostly gains. Okay, we win a lot more than we lose. And you can see not only in a do we win more than we lose on a quantity basis, but also quality as well, because the average win here you can see is 51%. These are options trades for the most part. The average loss is 34%. So our average win is so much bigger than our average loss here. And you can see in the last about 16 months, we've been doing this for about a year and a half, where we've been tracking the trades here in this portfolio tracker. $316,000 following these trades here. This is not an account value. These are actual profits if you would have followed all of these trades here going back a year and a half. Sounds pretty cool, right? So all of these trades here, the entries and the exits, are all alerted to you in real time. The vast majority of these trades get put onto a watch list ahead of time to prepare you for what to expect, okay? So most of the trades we're not just throwing out in the middle of the day and hoping you can follow along. That does happen sometimes when I do see something in the market, but the vast majority of the trades go on the watch list so you know exactly what to expect. You can set your orders and know what kind of alert I'm looking for. In addition to these profitable trading alerts, if that wasn't enough on its own, I also do private member-only videos where I discuss our watch list, I discuss our open trades, and I keep a very transparent and open and honest communication going with my members, and keeping you up to date with what's going on in the market, okay? Because a lot of you guys have trades outside of the trades that we're covering here, and I discuss the market in great detail so that it'll help you with your own portfolio as well. So in addition to that, so you're going to get these profitable trading alerts, you're going to get the private member videos, you're going to get an educational video section, plus there's a other section of this sheet here where I have the watch list. I have the open positions, which list all of our targets and stop losses for every single position. So it's very transparent and open, and you're able to see and learn the process of a profitable trader. That's me in those videos as well. So you're going to get all that, but most importantly, you're getting these profitable trading alerts. As soon as you sign up, I'm going to start texting you these alerts and essentially putting money in your pocket. We don't have just a good day or a good week here or there. These are consistent gains. I've had this service for about 7 years now, and we've never had a down quarter or a down year. So if that sounds good to you, I'd like to invite you to join today. And as soon as you sign up and join, I'll start sending you these profitable trading alerts. Have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in there.